Good day, everyone. How are you today? This is Teacher Maricar of English.com. Today, we will continue answering the activity from the lesson that we've discussed from our last video in this book, English Reading Basic 5. This will help you to understand more about the passage and to widen your vocabulary. So now, let's begin. We will answer 3 activities today. It is related from the passage about wagon train. We have here reading comprehension, writing practice, and summarizing practice. So now, let's start to the first activity, which is the reading comprehension. In this part, I am going to read the questions as well as the choices, and then I will give you some time to think about the correct answers. And after that, we will answer it together. Are you ready now? Let's start. Number 1. What could Americans meet when they first moved from east to west? A. Penguins. B. Eskimos or whales. C. Wild animals or Indians. Number 2. Why did the travelers travel together? A. Because they wanted to save money. B. Because they could get lost. C. Because they don't know the way exactly. Number 3. Moving from the eastern coast to the western coast, blank. A. Was really a long trip. B. Was really a short trip. C. Was really an easy trip. And number 4, at night, they form a circle with their wagons and blank. A. Enjoyed a party. B. Took a rest. C. Started to fight. So now, let's answer it. What is the answer in number 1? What could Americans meet when they first moved from east to west? The answer is wild animals and Indians. So now, let's see why this is the answer. Here is the sentence that will support our answer in number 1. They could meet wild animals or Indians. Next, number 2. Why did the travelers travel together? The answer is B. Because they could get lost. Here, they could get lost. Therefore, the travelers traveled together. Then, number 3. Moving from the eastern coast to the western coast, blank. The answer is letter A. Was really a long trip. Here is the sentence. Moving from the eastern coast to the western coast was really a long trip. And number 4. At night, they form a circle with their wagons and blank. The answer is B. Took a rest. Here, at night, they form a circle with their wagons and took a rest. Now, we've finished the first activity. Let's proceed to the next one, which is the writing practice. In this second activity, we will complete the sentence with the expression from the passage. So here is the question. How did Americans move from the eastern coast to the western coast? Americans moved to the western coast by blank. What do you think is the answer? Okay, the answer is using wagons. Americans moved to the western coast by using wagons. Good. Now, let's proceed to the last activity, which is the summarizing practice. So I am going to read, and we will complete the summary with the words from the passage. So you can see here, missing word. We will find out what is this missing word. Are you ready now? Okay, so let's begin. A wagon was used when there were no blank trains or automobiles. A blank is a group of wagons. People traveled blank to avoid danger. Okay, so what do you think is the answers here? So let's go back to the first sentence. The missing word is airplanes. A wagon was used when there were no airplanes, trains, or automobiles. How about the second missing word? The answer is wagon train. A wagon train is a group of wagons. And the last missing word is together. People travel together to avoid danger. Good. So I hope that you got all the correct answers here. This is the end of our activity for today. I hope that you enjoy it and you learn a lot. It is fun and exciting to learn English. Again, this is Teacher Maricar of Gamblish.com. See you in our next video. Goodbye.